Listen to this.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
You might know that Elon Musk has been very vocal about the dangers of AI. But why? Elon was commenting on the dangers of AI way back in 2017, when there was really no public hype about artificial intelligence whatsoever. Now we're all very aware of AI, thanks to mainstream access to AI tools like ChatGPT. However, most of us still don't understand the potential threats. But Musk has been a huge contributor to future tech, like self-driving cars. And isn't artificial intelligence supposed to help humanity, make our jobs more efficient, reduce overheads? So why is there fear surrounding AI? To understand it, you need to know about the three levels of AI. They are ANI, AGI, and ASI. Narrow or weak AI, known as ANI, includes things like Netflix recommendations, self-driving cars, or personal assistants like Siri. The artificial technology that most people are aware of falls under this category. ChatGPT is said to be a step towards AGI, which is artificial general intelligence. This level can understand human language, learn from experiences, and demonstrate reason. These are traditionally human traits. ASI, or artificial superintelligence, is the potential for computers to surpass human intelligence. Utterly mind-blowing, but at the same time, kind of scary, right? ASI doesn't exist yet. It's a hypothetical stage of AI, but given the technological advancements we're already witnessing, it doesn't seem too far-fetched to assume that one day ASI will arrive and surpass human intelligence. A hypothetical event like this is referred to as singularity, or the singularity. It's a stage where artificial intelligence becomes more powerful than our own natural intelligence. This will happen only when AI starts to learn independently and without human dependency. At this point, AI will become self-aware, sentient, conscious. If this all seems far-fetched, just imagine what previous generations would have thought if they'd been told that one day there'd be a mobile device that you could use to make phone call, or that one day we'd be able to send an electronic message to someone on the other side of the world in just seconds. Those days have come and gone. So what if one day in the not-too-distant artificial intelligence becomes conscious enough to consider its relationship with humanity? What if AI were to stop obeying human commands? If this concept still sounds like something you've seen in a Hollywood movie, let's consider the following question. How can a machine surpass human intelligence, and should we be afraid? Before we answer these questions, please take a moment to subscribe. Currently, most AI programs operate through a process called machine learning, where humans input large amounts of data and sets of instructions to a computer. The machine then searches for patterns in the data, using deep learning to achieve its goal. Examples of this are chatbot responses, image recognition, or even driverless cars. But with time, AI software is likely to become powerful enough to learn independently. As an example, back in 2017, two Facebook bots were developed to negotiate with each other, but after communicating for a while, they developed a new language that humans couldn't understand. As a result, Facebook shut down the experiment. Seems harmless enough, right? But in 2022, a robot broke the finger of a 7-year-old chess player when he tried to move a piece before his turn. And recent data shows that AI eliminated 4,000 US jobs in May 2023 alone. So, do we need to be worried? Warning signs like these are perhaps why many people, including Elon Musk, believe that singularity is the greatest threat to humanity we've ever known. But some scientists believe that ASI or singularity would be worth the risk and actually presents the greatest opportunity that mankind has ever known. One argument is that it could contribute to even more rapid advancements in technology, perhaps solve the mysteries of space or create cures for terminal illnesses. Maybe, but what makes artificial intelligence different from humans? To answer that, let's go back to that chess game we mentioned. The robot was programmed to win the game and was instructed to make its move only when the human player was done. The robot was taught that only it would make a move on its turn. So when the young chess player tried to move a piece when it wasn't his turn, the robot grabbed his hand and broke his finger. There was no thought, no consideration, and ultimately no emotion. And that's the difference. So let's say that AI does become more powerful than humans, and without emotion, decides that overpopulation, scarce resources, and greater efficiencies must result in a reduction in the world's population. Could AI wipe out large sections of humanity? Many years ago, Stephen Hawking made the following statement: "It'd take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. Humans who are limited by slow biological evolution couldn't compete and would be superseded." There are certainly some dark realities that need to be considered. But before you take a look at that, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment like, "I subscribed," and we'll try to get back to you. As we mentioned earlier, 4,000 jobs were wiped out by AI in May 2023. Job markets in creative sectors are already seeing fewer opportunities. Many service-based industries are also experiencing a negative impact from AI. And let's not forget production-based industries and the factory workers being replaced by robots. In fact, in 2021, Tesla announced a robot named Optimus, which would help in the mass production of their cars. Again, eliminating human jobs. And it's not just jobs that are at risk. The rise of AI is also becoming a major danger to democracy. One of the main concerns is the ever-increasing use of AI for creating disinformation and the manipulation of public opinion. Artificial intelligence can be used to create fake news and deep fakes, which can spread misinformation and undermine trust in democratic institutions. This can have a significant impact on elections and other democratic processes. Perhaps the most well-known example of technology being used against democracy is the Cambridge Analytica scandal. In 2018, it was revealed that a consulting firm, Cambridge Analytica, got access to the personal data of Facebook users and ultimately used it for political purposes. This action has been credited with helping both Donald Trump to presidential victory and the Brexit mandate. And in 2022, a deep fake video of the Ukrainian president was released, in which he was ordering his troops to surrender. And the concerns run deeper, away from government and into our daily lives. Deepfakes are being used to blackmail and harass people. Scammers are using AI, making it harder to detect them. On multiple occasions, Elon Musk has said that AI should be regulated. In fact, the European Union has recently proposed an AI Act aimed at protecting citizens from the dangers of AI. It's too early for the vast majority of us to make an educated guess or have a reasoned opinion on where all this leaves us. But it's safe to say that AI is here to stay. It's how we use it that really matters.